You are about to watch Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART. Spacecraft will purposefully collide with a tiny space rock called Dimorphos. The exercise is being conducted in the name of planetary defense, which aims to defend against any large asteroids that might be headed in the direction of Earth. Here is the impact video directly from DART cam. This impact should change the asteroid orbital speed by a tiny percentage. Images taken by a tiny light Italian CubeSat for imaging of asteroids have been made public following the successful impact. Dimorphos is surrounded by bright, hazy debris in the final image. Dimorphos is effectively completely covered by the impact's emission of dust and debris. Currently, astronomers are closely monitoring the Dimorphos system in order to determine how much Dimorphos orbit accelerated. 3 spacecraft and numerous ground-based observatories were also enlisted by the mission team to monitor the impact and its aftereffects. Do you know James Webb Space Telescope has captured mysterious rings image? You can watch by clicking on the video shown above. Subscribe now for astronomy, cosmology and science updates. Thank you and have a great day.